let's just get inside the incubator. So this
Okay.
incubator that we're using is a commercial thing. We bought it at some point after COVID to kind of test some ideas, but again, this is good for us for the early stage of cultivation here. So
Yeah,
those are
these
hot
little
peppers.
hot peppers
Yeah,
coming
those hot
through.
peppers are ready to go because
Absolutely ready for the lab. And you've got your tomatoes are doing beautiful in your little printed pots, with a little trellis on them. Very
Yeah.
cool. You got your
Okay,
box
so let's
there.
put them in a box for replanting. I think that tomato is ready too.
Yeah, this guy could use a new home.
Yeah. This is a kind of cool idea too. So a beautiful sticker made by Dimitri. So our branding is always present with whatever we do, but those containers are made out of spool inserts. So essentially spools for 3D filament are being normally thrown out. We're creating here a joint that brings two of them together, and there's a deck underneath that contains this as a kind of pottery, and then I think we can throw it straight into the soil and they'll decompose.
Yeah, so we've been taking the little deck out of the bottom and then we just plant it straight in the raised bed, and we have a couple of them out there now. That it's doing great. The little spool container breaks down and then it's just self-planted.
Well, should we
head
take
on
those
over?
plants for actual resettlement?
Yeah, give them a new home.
All right, let's do it.
Now the question is, do we walk or drive?
I mean, to make it the best, we should really ride on a-hole bikes, but I don't really think we have any carrying capacity on them at this point yet.
Let's see here.
Because that could be a cool thing.
What is it? You're talking about those?
Yeah. I have zip ties.
That rope will be perfect, Jacek. Here.
You know the story of those bikes, right?
No, I actually have no idea.
So we got them to David Nasagasti, who was our resident entrepreneur here. And Dave is known for his Geographies of Trash project, and he got really into bike culture. And by doing so much work with the biking community, the Specialized essentially gave us 2 electric bikes to use them for experiments here at the incubator. So we have them already for probably a year or longer.
Oh, I love that. Well, and what I love about it too is, no dig on art.
No.
Art does tend to have a very high carbon footprint.
Yeah.
This is one way to reduce it. Awesome. Well, let's get this over there. Let's get it in the ground and see if we can get these guys growing in some of our sustainable compost.
All right, let's get moving.
Cool.
All right, I'm putting my helmet on. Safety first. It's fun to ride those electric bikes. I mean, they move quite smoothly through our little campus terrain. We just reached Campus Drive and we're turning right here to go to Jesse's Kingdom. Hey Matt, how you doing? Just cruising on our bikes today to bring some plants for Jesse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Critical mass.
That's it. Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay. That was not intended.
So I said I would keep the things on the bike. I didn't say we could.
Yeah, I know. The terrain is a little bit less.
Where did this one go flying out? Oh, here we go. It was that. Let's just say it was that one.